আসসালামু আলাইকুম ফ্যাশন অ্যান্ড ফ্যাব্রিক ওয়ার্ল্ড পেজ থেকে আপনার সাথে আজকে আমি দোকান থেকে লাইভে আপনাকে নতুন নতুন আমি কাশ্মীরি শাল দেখাবো নিউ ডিজাইনস অফ কাশ্মীরি শলস টুডে অন লাইভ ফর ইউ অল ফ্রম মাই শপ ইন গুলশান শপ নাম্বার 365 পুলিশ প্লাজা সেকেন্ড ফ্লোর সো আজকে আমি মাত্র আপনাকে কিছু কাশ্মীরি শাল যেটা নতুনটা আইছে ওটা দেখাবো সবাই আপনি লাইভে থাকেন উইশ ইউ আ গুড টাইম I'll show you the nice shawls. So let us start. Bye. Okay. ये पकड़ो. ऐसे पकड़ोगे? बैक व्यू में दिखाओगे. बैक व्यू में दिखाओ. बैक व्यू में ही दिखाओ. ये आप पकड़ो सामने से. आप जानते कैसे दिखाओ. Here you can see this is fully embroidered. এটা পুরোটাই উলের উপরে এমব্রয়ডারি কাজ করা কাশ্মীরি শল আছে এটা পুরো এমব্রয়ডারি কাজ করা ফুল সাইজ সাথে সাথে এটা ফার দিয়া this is the latest one four sided fur on this shawl you can see চার পাশে এভাবে লাগা আছে center embroidered here you have the look of this shawl with Swarovski stones on this এটা স্টোন বসানো হয়েছে এখানে এটা পুরোটা এমব্রয়ডারি করা উলের উপরে this is on the wool for the winter you can wear it like this okay price for this is 4800 4800 টাকা করে আপনি এটা পাবেন 4800 is the price for this one you can see this yeah 4800 woolen Kashmiri shawl I'm showing you the other color after this you can see 4800 for this one in the same material I have got the poncho also you can see this is poncho this is for 4500 this poncho is for 4500 and I have more designs and colors in these so you can come to the shop and purchase these or you can book online.
Do you have size?
Okay. See?
41.
Well, we have a gorgeous customer in our shop.
That's right.
It looks pretty on her. नहीं मत दिखो. पहले इजाज़त लो फिर बात. ऐसे ही.
The green one.
You can see this one.
Not that one or this is whatever.
This one is wool kani.
This one is 6.
এটাও খুবই সুন্দর. This one is 6500. 6500. You can see this is pure wool. এটা wool-এর উপরে আপনার হাতে দিয়ে রেডি করা এটা.
Is it a 41?
6500 very lightweight.
Then what about
This one is 6500.
that green one? Does it have 41?
6500 you can I hope you can see this beautiful one for 6500 if you like to purchase it you can take the screenshot
8 number
okay
green में 41 ना
অনেকটা ডিজাইন আছে এটা চারপাশে এভাবে আপনার দিয়া আছে you can use it as a cape also and as a shawl assalamu alaikum lutfun nahar lipi assalamu alaikum sister how are you
Price?
well this you can use as a stole like this to podni la bhai or you can wear it just a second I'll show you how the three ways to wear this one you can wear it in the three forms okay it's looking beautiful
41 नहीं होगा
6500 for this
ग्रीन पे नहीं होगा
350? 350
इनके ऑर्डर क्लिक ले ले मिल जाएगा इनको 2 दिन बाद which one you like this one in green same design
साथ देगा ये साथ नहीं लगेगा
इनको 8 लगेगा just a second kindly put your number and address we'll give you 41 size home delivery for this
Okay.
you can do that
Thank you.
okay
Yeah, he told me about
that's fine साजिद खड़े हो जाओ वो नहीं ये पकड़ लो thank you for waiting So it can be used as a cape like this. Okay,
Oh, can you tell me the price?
it can be used as a cape. Which one? Okay. ये वाला 1050 1050
What about that? This
1300
one?
1300
No, I'm talking about
yeah this one 1300
1300.
yes and this is 1400
Okay.
like this 2500
No, this one এটা 1300.
এটা সব একটা
1300 and that one
1050
is 1000.
না ওটা ওটা না।
1050
Oh,
ওটা একটু ভালো লাগতেছে
this
স্প্রিং
much.
দুটোই সুন্দর আর না না
आप इनका नंबर और एड्रेस ले लें उनको 3 दिन में लाए देखेंगे नहीं इनको चूज किया ना इन्होंने 41 ये वाला साइज नहीं इनका मिल रहा so you think 8 number was fine for you 41
41, yes. 41 is fine.
You
ভালো
kindly
করে বলতে
deposit
হবে
your
না,
number
বাসায়
and
যেয়ে
address.
নাম্বার নিয়ে যাও বাসায় যেয়ে আবার বলতে হবে আমার সাইজটা বলো ছোট সাইজটা
41.
इनको 8 नंबर कोई भी जूता दे देना बेटा 8 नंबर कोई भी है वो
Yes,
पहना दे
that's right. Then I can.
well you can visit the shop as you know I don't visit shop more of the time so we have to respect the customers when they are coming to the place so just kindly give me a few more moments until that time you can see the shoes variety of shoes which is available in the shop here you can see there are a lot of varieties lot of colors prices I have various times mentioned in my previous lives of all these so until that time you can watch these beautiful shoes 1050 is the price of any one of these over here we have got different products like these kind of dupattas you can visit the shop and you can purchase from here for 700 any of these 8 number आप कोई भी बाहर करके दिखा दो इनको so these kind of kurtis 4500 so these anyone here for 4500 where's your shop my shop is at Police Plaza Gulshan shop number 365 second floor there are janamas here kaftans Lucknowi stitch these are single piece Lucknowi stitch unstitched shirts for 2500
Feeling some tight over here.
it is tight it will expand yeah
This one is 41, right?
yeah 41 size
Can you show me 42?
42
Like any
doesn't
other
come 42 doesn't come
doesn't
इनको ये वाला दिखा
42, this one?
yeah you can check this quite loose okay that's fine I understood you have to take that one but we have to make it little loose
Yeah,
that one.
just little.
इसको ऊपर से वैसे ना थोड़ा आप खींच लेना क्योंकि फिर इनको फिट आ जाएगा ओके खुस्सा दिखाइए प्लीज़ ओके खुस्से ही देख लें आप सब ये देखें बहुत प्यारी प्यारी वैरायटीज़ है खुस्सों में ये है पायल वाले देयर यू हैव दिस नेकलेस स्टाइल कोरोना स्टाइल का ये देखें क्लस्टर कोरोना दीज वंस आर न्यू वंस आल्सो 1300 Where's your shop? My shop is at Police Plaza, Gulshan, shop number 365.
থাকতে পারবে না তো
আপু এখন না আমি যে টাইমে আমি ওনাকে নতুনটা পাঠাবো যেটা গ্রিনটা ওনাকে লাগবে ও টাইমে ওটা জানি দেখাই পকড় I have to just expand it like this way. It will be fine.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure about that because I was checking. Before few days, a lady she had 5.5 inches
Okay.
width in the feet, so 41 was perfect for her. Your feet are normal. Can you wear it again?
This one?
See how tight it is. इसका दूसरा पेयर क्या है? दिखाना. Lucknow dress price. Lucknow dress price is we have starting from 1500 till 3500 single kameez. Lucknowi single kameez আমার কাছে 1500 টাকা থেকে 3200 টাকার ভিতরে হবে भाई इसका दूसरा साइज दे, इधर दे, ये होल्ड कर।
Because it expands when you wear it.
You can try the other feet. Or you can try the same foot
Yeah,
because
I-
there is no right. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. Then we have to send you this color in that size.
Price push है.
डिलीवरी सिस्टम बोले ना, ओके डिलीवरी सिस्टम ब्लू देखिए, ये देखिए, दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्पल, दिस इज पर्पल, सॉरी दिस इज नॉट ब्लू माय डियर वीवर्स, এটা ব্লু না,
তোমাকে তো সাইজটা বড় এনে দিবে জাস্ট হাতে এখন
दिस इज पर्पल, पर्पल है ना भाई, 1050 लखनऊ. There is a variety of Lucknowi dresses. When you visit the shop, you can find all these over here. Well, that is a Kashmiri shawl that I was supposed to show you in the live. The price for that is 4,500, 4,800, and 6,500. Three different qualities. Black में दिखाई है. ये पकड़े. सामने ही. You can see this one. Price for this is again 4,800. 4,800 is the price for this color also. Four-sided fur. Okay, this is 4,500. This one, this is silk modal, wool and silk, 6,500. Like this one, big size, 6,500. I have to wait from the both feet. 6,500 এটা বড় সাইজ 6,500 টাকা করে হাতে দিয়া. This is handmade. I mean this is weaving. হাতে তৈরি করা এটা. 6,500 for this one. I will try to get 42. If I find 42, I'll knock you at 10. We'll drop your number because normally sizes come 36 to 41. But we have like 42, 43, 44, and 45.
I think 42 is better for me.
I'll
I
try to
guess.
get it. We have to make it. Because normally I get 36.
Sure. 500.
I am sure I can
Sure,
manage it,
500.
but not as
42 you can manage?
You can manage 42, but I can tell you, I can get you 42, but it will take time. It's not possible to get
How many
3
days?
days. I have to check.
You have to check.
When my shipment is ready and whether this design is available here. Nothing else. Okay, one more color. This is also 6,500.
শোরুম কোথায়? শোরুম কোথায়?
Showroom, Police Plaza, shop number 365, second floor. 6,500 এটাও
होलसेल दिबन भैया?
6,500 ये पहले होलसेल वाले आ जाते हैं, पहले रिटेल में तो कुछ थे ना.
आरिफा इस्लाम.
जी 6,500.
জি কোনটা রাখা না ভালো লাগে না সাইজ না আমার মেয়ে জুতো আমি কি করব
3,000. This size, this small size, this is 3,000. Different material. This one is 3,000. Okay. There are various products like this available in the shop. You can visit it and see by yourself. If you liked anything in the live, you can take the screenshot and send me. This size 3,000.
ঠিক
The
আরিফা
biggest
ইসলাম
size, this one is 6,500. Quality is completely different. Both are different things. This one also 6,500. Okay.
সাউন্ড কাম कवर भाई फोन आया
This poncho 4,800. This is poncho or the cape 4,800. You can see two-sided. There is fur in this, and the neck is with fur as well. 4,800 for this. 4,800.
can't hear dear brother
This one 6,500 also. 6,500 with fur. There are two colors.
कुर्ती दिखाने बोली मैं
Any of these you can take for 6,500. Here you go. This 6,500. For this one also 6,500. Okay.
শোরুম কোথায় শোরুম বলে
4,500. 4,500. This is embroidery, not print. Eta print na, eta embroidery কাজ করা. See this. Could be gorgeous color. Magenta. You can see this. Come close. Okay, you can wear it like this as a shawl. Okay, এটা shawl ভাবে আপনি ইউজ করতে পারেন, সাথে সাথে এটা আপনি কেপের ভাবে ইউজ করতে পারেন. See this. Looks beautiful. Nice. ঠিক আছে. You can take the screenshot if you liked it. 4,500. Very beautiful color in front of you. Call आ रहा है फिर से.
नहीं आया
See, you can take the screenshot.
এটা আমাকে দিবেন সাবাক সাদা পার্লার এসডিবি পার্লার
Okay. You can take the screenshot and send online kindly. এটাও দেখেন 4,500. আবার আপনি স্ক্রিনশট নিতে পারেন পুরো দেখা ভাই तू मत पढ़ तू खाली दिखा तो पढ़ लूंगा बाद में 4,500. This gorgeous one also 4,500. Okay, 4,500. This also. This poncho 4,800. You can see 4,800 this one. 4,800. Red color. Both sides it's embroidered. Stitch it. 4,800 for this. From the close up. Okay. Done. Black with bottle green. See this? 4,500. This black also. এটাও 4,500 করে. Green fur black base of the shawl. ठीक है, दिख रहा है कलर? You can see daman. This is the daman of the shawl. In front of you.
Price
4,500.
Rate का
4,800 for this, and for ponchos 4,500. This is 4,800. Okay, 4,800. Black 4,800. Live. 4,800. Maroon color. Maroon.
When it will be good, then
This is maroon. 4,800. Okay, Kashmiri shawl with a modern touch. This is traditional Kashmiri work, embroidery work, which you can see, and this is the modern touch attached with this fur.
ये आपको बोले
4,800 for this one. Price was 4,800 for all these beautiful ones. There are a lot of products over here in the shop, for which you can visit us. As the things which I have already showed in the live, if anyone liked those, you can take the screenshot and send me inbox. More products what are available. You can see kameez like this. This is full long size, 1,500 taka on cotton. এটা আপনাকে 1500 টাকা করে পড়বে, 1,500. Okay, let me show you this. Here you can see price for this is 1,500 taka on cotton. There is print and embroidery. This is all handwork. You can see the handwork. Price 1,500. Size 46. Price is 1,500 for this. Okay. Where's the shop? Shop is at Police Plaza, shop number 365, Gulshan. Okay. Well, shop name is here. Crafts and Creations by Qureshi. Okay. On the second floor. There are a lot of kurtis. You can see more kurtis if you want to visit the shop. This kind of kurtis are available. Well, take care of yourself, everybody. A lot of kurtis, a lot of dresses, shawls, shoes are available here. Wish you a good time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.